Aloha, romantic friends. Please subscribe for more updates and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Aloha, romantic friends and new viewers. Welcome to today's video. And today I will be making yogurt and banana soap. I've been on this mission creating soaps using fresh fruit and vegetables in cold processed soap. And so today's soap, it will not have any fragrance to it, so it will be fragrance free. So in the video description you will find that I have put a small notation, the benefits of yogurt and banana. So yogurt and banana actually it's good for your skin, and it adds nourishment and elasticity to your skin, giving you a more youthful glow. So in this bucket, as always, we have our oils and our sodium hydroxide, aka lye water, and we're gonna blend everything up to make soap. So as I'm mixing today's soap, the next video, probably following this one, I keep telling you guys I want to show you how the avocado and banana soap turned out and the fresh strawberry soap turned out. So I will be uploading a video pretty soon showing you how those two soaps turned out in the end. So I really liked it. Very amazing that I created those two soaps, and I think I'm gonna keep those two soaps in my product line. So I'm just gently stirring my yogurt and banana soap. And of course, I am soaping at 90 degrees, between a 90 and 100 degrees. And it's good that the soap is fragrance free, so I will be able to blend the soap as much as I want. So in this container, as you can see, is my yogurt and banana puree, and so it is blended very fine so that you won't have a lot of lumps, a lumpy soap. So that's the yogurt and banana puree. So we're going to go ahead and add that into our soap. But before we do, we need to go ahead and blend up our soap. Okay, so I lightly blended it. It has a very thin trace to it. And so we're going to go ahead and add any additives, extra additives into the soap, along with our banana puree. So I will go ahead and add our banana puree into the soap. Until it's well incorporated into the soap. And so this particular week, this weekend I'm actually making a bunch of soaps this weekend because I'm actually getting ready for a event that's coming up in November. So I'm gonna go ahead and just continue to blend my soap, and I'm going to fast forward the video and we can actually get to the pouring. So I wanted to try something different and see how the soap will look in its final state of just the oils itself. Alright, so the soap is very nice and creamy, and we are going to go ahead and get it poured into our mold. And this set mold is actually a 2.5 pound mold that I'm using. But just pour it into our mold. Welcome back to the cutting of the yogurt and banana soap. This soap actually has been sitting like this for at least 72 hours. It's very firm, it's very hard. Here is an up close view of the soap here. We're going to go ahead and just get it cut so we can let it sit and it can go through the stage of purifying all the water out of the soap so that the water can evaporate from the soap and we can have a pure hard bar of soap. So each soap is actually hand sliced. So I try to slice it whereas the soap may be like anywhere from the minimum 5 ounces to 6 ounces worth of soap. Sometimes I do get 4 ounce and sometimes 7 ounce bars depending on how big I cut the soap. But it's pretty firm, easy enough for me to cut. So I'm hoping I'm getting 5-inch bars here. And I should have cut this a long time ago, but sometimes you get really busy and you just don't have time to get back to your projects. So this is what the soap looks like. That was going through the gelling stage. That's why I should have cut it a long time ago, because you can see on the outside it's a very light color, but in the center it's still dark. So that's where all the water and stuff is at. So that actually needs to evaporate. And once evaporate, the soap will lighten up to a lighter color once all the water has evaporated from the soap. Alright guys, here we are at the end of our video. I do have a romantic question of the day. And here is your romantic question of the day. Number 1. Would you rather take your partner shopping at an expensive jewelry place? Or number 2, would you just rather take them to an expensive restaurant of their choice? Go ahead and cast your vote in the upper right hand corner of the screen. You will see a little circle with the letter I in the center of it. If you go ahead and click on that circle there with the letter I, you can cast your vote for today's